Hi friends, I'm Patrina, and today we are going to learn how to play a C major chord in 3 different ways. Now don't worry, we'll make it fun by adding a bit to it while we practice. Okay, but first, here's how the chord sounds like in all 3 positions. We have a root position using C, E, G. The first inversion using E, G, C. The second inversion using G, C, E. Here are the 3 positions to the C major chord. Alright friends, this is a C major chord. Now major chord sounds happy and bright, while minor chords have a softer, more mellow vibe. Now this chord has 3 notes, C, E, G. Now if you want to learn a little bit more of the theory behind major and minor chords, check out my piano chords video. I'll leave the link below. We're going to play this chord in 3 positions. Now first we have the root position. Next we have the first inversion. And lastly we have the second inversion. Now these different arrangements of the same chords are called inversions. Now inversions are important because they help your chord change sound smoother, they make your playing more flexible, and let you connect chords in different ways across the keyboard whenever you are playing a song. So let's dive straight into the 3 positions of playing C chord. First up is the root position, and here it is how it looks like. I'm using my finger 1, 3 and 5 for the root position. Now you're gonna try it and play along with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2 and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Next is the first inversion. The notes are the same, C, E, G, just rearrange. We are going to have the E as the lowest sounding note, followed by the G and then a C. I'm using my fingers 1, 2 and 5. Now you're gonna try and play along with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2 and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. And finally, the second inversion. The notes are still the same, just rearrange, and here is how it looks. We have the G as the lowest sounding note, followed by the C and then an E. I'm using my fingers 1, 3 and 5. Now you're gonna try and play along with me. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2 and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Great! Now we are going to put all 3 positions together from root to first inversion and second inversion. Now play along with me to the beat, switching smoothly between each position. Now you're going to practice this inversion because it trains your finger to move smoothly and your ears to hear the chord in different shapes. It all sounds like C, but a little bit different. So that is what makes your playing sound more professional. We are going to try with tempo 60 BPM, and each chord we are going to play 3 times before going to the next position. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 3 times go. 1, 2, 3, change to first inversion. Change to second inversion. Back to root position. Change to first inversion. Change to second inversion. Back to root position. Well done. Five, 6 root position, and we go. Change to first inversion. Change to second inversion. Back to root position. First inversion. Second inversion, root position. Well done. 5, 6, root position on C. First inversion, second inversion, root position. First inversion, second inversion, root position. Well done. Awesome job! Now you can play this chord in all 3 positions. Now you're going to try to add these positions to your song and notice how much smoother your chord changes become. For more chord formulas and theory, check out my piano chords video link above and below. Now keep practicing and have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.